Hey guys, it's your boy Peter. Guys, it's another one, guys. So on today's video, guys, just want to showcase some of the best things that ever happened in Forex trading since AU Quantum, guys. But now, a few months later, we're on AI trading trends, guys. So here it is, right here, right now, how to invest 100 USD and get the best ROI in a week using AI trading trends. One of the latest systems that we have on Forex Villa Pro, and it's a monster, guys, a force not to be reckoned with. The system that pays the bills. So it doesn't get better than that, guys. If you're still with me, hit that like, hit that notification bell, and that subscribe button, guys, so that each and every time we share content as cool and good and informative as this one, guys, you become the first one to know. Without taking any of your time, guys, hit that intro. Let's get into it. Here we go. So, guys, most of these things, guys, is based on Boom 100. Boom 1000, guys. So we've done the strategy tester. You know by this time what a strategy tester is and why we use it. And the example is that one that we just did on from the 15th of September 2022 to last month. On the 30th of October. Most of these things is just repetitive, so I'm not going to go through it step by step. But then what is Boom 1000, guys? The Boom 1000 index is a derived index that simulates market conditions with a series of booms or upward spikes. Understand? That's why it's called boom, making it ideal for strategies that capitalize on sudden upward movements. So this is the system. I've already showed you how to make money out of this particular market from my previous video. If not, go through this playlist. The link is on the description below, and just see what I go about. And why choose this Boom 1000 market, guys? For its volatility, profit opportunities, and system performance as well. You understand? So let's go. I'm going to go through the strategy tester, but here are the few advantages that I want you to see: high ROI potential, return of investment potential, low entry barriers, and then it's automated trading. That makes it so unique. You can do manually, but you won't do it better than a robot like this one. So advantages, it's high volatility, risk, but with the system, we can mitigate it. So while volatility offers profit potential, it can also lead to increased risk. A strong movement against your position could result in a quicker drawdowns, but the system can mitigate that. And then going forward over exposure, let's say using not the prescribed money management percentage. Let's going for aggressive 120 instead of the 2 that's highly recommended. Can lead to over exposure and limited flexibility. The Boom 1000 spikes mostly favor upward trends. Therefore, in a less volatile market week, the system might struggle to meet higher return of investment expectation, but will still be making money. Remember what I like to say: as long as the outcome is income, understand? So here it is. Some of the system capabilities using inputs and backtests. And these inputs, guys, like you will see, give me 2 more slides and you will see these the standard settings that I highly recommend on 5-minute time frame for Boom, you understand? And then the backtesting results that we're going to evaluate now. This was also based on less than 6 months. This is 6 months time. But now, remember, on this video, we're talking about these things in a week. You understand? So we'll come back to this one. Factors affecting live trading performance. You understand? Like we're talking about your slippage, leverage, brokers' conditions, market sentiments, and then the risk management in live trading, the suggestion to minimize the impact of slippage and leverage. Like what can we use? You understand? What's built into the system? Which adjustable input settings can we use for this one? So before conclude, this is the table that we talked about, the settings for Boom series, from Boom 1000 to Boom 300. These are the settings that you can literally use. So let's go to strategy tester and let me show you what we can do in a week. You understand? So a week, I think like there's a YouTube video that I've already done that talks about this, because like I see the settings. This is for today, and a 5-minute I take a Boom 1000 index and you choose there, and the system that we're using is AI trading trends, as you already know, and then everything based on real charts. So now we're going under our input settings: 2%, 6%, 50-50. And these settings are the standard settings, guys. The trailing SR as well. Everything is standard over here. So without saying much, let's go. So this is the simulation, guys. This is the simulation. You can see the system rocking it up right there, already made 42 USD. And just check this out, check this out. system going rapidly, guys. Remember, this is how to invest your $100 in a week to get the maximum profit out of the system, guys. Now at 88, it's still the same day. It's still the same day, guys. So let's see that. Let me put in some properties just to show through a separator so that we'll see if it goes to the next day. So already we're about to double the account, guys, from the 23rd, which was last Monday. Yes, because today is the second. Look at this, 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 look at that, look at that, look at that. System power right here. Doing the most, guys, doing the most. I can't stress this better than this. So let me just maximize this thing. And look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. And I like the way the interest rate, guys. And each and every position it has a trailing SL as well. You know, look at the trailing SL breaking above, the entry point. So that's another system feature, like that most systems don't have right here. And look at that. We just took 2 losses on a row and it didn't even make a dent into our account. Look at this. The third loss in a row. Remember what I say, as long as the outcome is income, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those wins. Guys, it just took our account to another new height, guys. It doesn't get better. This is the best system of a program for Villa Pro. And we're still milking. We're still milking. We're still milking, guys. We're making money. Yes. So let me just give it some juice because it might take a little bit of time, guys. And I just want to show you how to properly invest your $100 in no time, guys. And if ever want to watch a proper video, go watch the first one. I have an hour long, 1 hour 30 minutes long video talking about making $1 million with 100 USD. So if ever you don't have 6 months, you need it in a week. This is another video just to showcase how to go about that one. So real quick, straight to the point. This is how to make money on Boom 1000 index on the ref. Look at that. We're over 600 US dollars now. And we're reaching the 29th, 30th of September. And the system is still grinding, guys. Over 500 USD in profits. So you can decide to withdraw any time of these moments, guys, than to continue anything. You can stop the system anytime if ever you need your money. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I think we took some loss, but the total outcome is 441. So let's say you want to play around with the settings and stuff like that. You never know. Or maybe so guys, this is what the system would do if ever you started with something a little bit higher, like 1,000 US dollars. So look at this, look at this, look at this system, guys. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I think now we might flip this in a matter of now it's already been 3 days. Now we make 1.7. But anyway, it's good return of investment, guys, because we flipped it 1,000 within a day. And if ever you want to go aggressive, remember this is the most basic what we call the most basic settings you can use. We only change the amount, nothing else. So look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. 2.6 in less than a week. Guys, come on, give me some credit on this one. Look at this. Let's take 3,000. 3,000. Hey, 3,000. We almost touched it. But anyway, we've made over 1.1 on it in a week. It was on 2.5 or so. But yeah, guys, making money is this easy with the system. So this is a simulation, guys. You can backtest and do it the way you like it yourself. So beside this, you can play around with the rest of the session or like the rest of the settings on Strategy Tester and see how it goes for you. So guys, I don't want to make this video long, guys. It's already long enough. Go watch that 1 hour video where we took a lot of money. And again, we talk about Boom 1000. This has been the most profitable system on Boom 1000 that we've ever crafted. So hence, I'm talking about it more and more and more and more. We'll go to other markets as time goes on and make more content as good as this one for this trading system, guys. But without saying much, don't forget the measure we have from Xness. If you're interested in that, leave a comment below. Hit us with a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and that notification bell so that each and every time we share content as good as this one, you become the first one to know. And there are our contact details, Forex Villa Pro. You can reach out at any time, guys. I will send us an email or definitely go through our website, visit our website, and go through the information on this website. If you're interested in any of our system, click the name of the system, like the AI trading trends, read about it. We also got some guide types, like unique information regarding the system on how the system operates as well. So you can download the guide and have a look at it. It's not just for AI trading trends. Got a lot of system here, guys. You can go ahead and read about it. So it's your boy Peter. You already know, guys, the only developer that trades with his own systems. Go through our Telegram channel, our Discord channel, Instagram, follow me, and the rest is history. We'll see you in the next video. Let me sign out. Cheers.